Have you ever walked out of a meeting thinking someone mentioned something really important, but I can't remember exactly what they said? Or maybe you have tried taking detailed notes only to realize that while you are busy writing, you have missed half of the conversation. That's exactly why we wanted to check out the Flowtica Scribe today. This is not just another voice recorder or smart pen. It's designed to make note-taking feel natural while AI handles everything afterward. So let's see how it works. The first thing that impressed me was not actually the technology, it was the design. Honestly, if someone handed this to me without telling me what it was, I would probably think it was a premium luxury pen. It's made from aluminum, weighs only about 34.5 grams and uses regular gel ink refills, so it feels exactly like writing with a normal pen. I also like that in a meeting people simply see a pen instead of a phone recording on the table. It feels much more natural. Now imagine you are in a meeting discussing an upcoming project. Normally, you would be switching between writing notes and recording on your phone, then spending extra time organizing everything afterward. With the Flowtica Scribe, you simply write as you normally would while the pen records the conversation at the same time. You don't have to choose between paying attention and taking notes. That's probably the biggest advantage of this product. Once the meeting ends, the AI really starts helping. Thanks to Flowtica's FlowTran technology and the pen's MFI certified Bluetooth connection, the recording transfers automatically. There is no connecting cables or manually importing files. Instead of giving you a huge transcript, it automatically creates a structured summary, identifies speakers, highlights key decisions, and even generates action items. That's where I think it can save a lot of time. Another feature I really like is Flow Mark. If someone mentions an important deadline, price, or idea during a meeting, you simply press the button on the pen. Later, that exact moment is highlighted inside both the transcript and the AI summary, so you can jump directly to it instead of searching through an hour-long recording. Another feature that stood out to me is Ask Anything. Instead of searching through pages of notes, you can simply ask questions like, "Do I have a meeting today?" The AI searches your recordings and notes, then gives you answers in seconds. There is also Snap It, which lets you take a picture of handwritten notes, whiteboards, or slides, so they become searchable inside the app. You can even add a voice instruction like "Remind me to follow up next week," and it automatically creates a task. According to Flowtica, the Scribe supports 39 languages, recognizes up to 15 speakers, captures voices from about 15 feet away, and stores around 4,000 hours of recordings thanks to its 32 GB of storage. Battery life is also impressive, with up to 30 hours of recording on the pen itself or up to 100 hours when used with the optional charging case. The case also charges via USB-C, supports Apple Find My. Flowtica also says recordings are protected with chip-level encryption, are not shared with third parties, and are not used to train AI models, which is definitely important for business meetings and private conversations. So if you rarely attend meetings, you probably won't need it. But if you are a business professional, student, consultant, lawyer, journalist, sales professional, content creator, or anyone who spends a lot of time in meetings and brainstorming sessions, I can definitely see the value. Instead of worrying about writing down every detail, you can stay focused while the AI organizes everything afterward. If you would like to learn more about the Flowtica Scribe, I will leave all the links in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.